Alright, YouTube, what's good? Leekautorepair. Make sure I hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe. Let me go ahead and turn this music down. The reason why I play music because my brother is upstairs and he got the TV loud a little bit, but he's watching it and I don't want any monetization problems or whatever and shit. So we gonna play beats or whatever. So the beat y'all hear is one of my uncle beats. Y'all probably hear one of my beats coming up or a song that I'm working on. I like to do a song or drop a verse or a hook and download it to my phone so that way on my way to work or whatever I could like write some more shit to it or whatever. But y'all might hear half-ass stuff or whatever, or instrumental beats, whatever. We got stuff in the background. Let me go ahead and turn this down. So I got a surprise for y'all. Hold up. Woo! Woo! Let me do it again. Hold on. Let me do it again. Woo! Official? Yeah, I know. Y'all wanna know why I got the ball? Let me tell you why I got the ball, cause I don't care. I got it cause like my hairline, I'm 30, about to be 31 next month. I don't care no more. I don't care. It's just annoying, just wanted the new look pretty much. I wanted to cut it real low, but then my brother kept talking to me about getting a baldy. You know, my dad rocked the baldy or whatever. My dad was that smooth ball with the ball. That nigga was smooth, like real shit. I didn't mean to curse or whatever, but my bro, you know, he just like my pop or whatever, act just like him and everything. So yeah, he went and got the baldy. I got the baldy or whatever. It might be a new look for me or whatever. I don't know. I like it and shit, but I'm thinking about like leaving it light. Or matter of fact, I'm gonna try the baldy out. I'm just try it out for now. I don't know. I like it because all I know is I'm trying to get my motherfucking head licked on. Fuck you talking about, you know what I mean? You how often you know bald niggas get their head licked on? All the time. I'm just saying, I'm getting my shit licked on. Basically, you know, the bitches love my... I know Jazz gonna fuck me up or whatever, but listen. Bitches checking me out on my way to work or whatever. They checking me out, looking all fresh. You know what I mean? Alright, enough of that or whatever. So y'all can see, got my smokes in the background. I'm not gonna get in depth on what it is and all of that. If you know exactly what I just did, you saw me rolling up, then you see that I don't care. So, you know what it is. I don't care. I'm just at that point where I don't care no more. So, just give y'all heads up on everything. So let me go ahead and light my split. The funny thing is, I'm not even doing... I can't even hear the music because I actually like the beat too. I'm not even doing nothing illegal or whatever. So it's like, let me say this. Scooby, you notice I don't bother you. I think I'm going to keep it that way. But I know from time to time you come on my channel. You worry about what my subscribers doing. You worry about if anybody worrying about you. I don't think nobody care. But if you want to report me, I'll take a puff. So that way you can tag them at what time I took the puff. Oh, I gotta light up. Hold up. I gotta light up again. Hold up. That's just to let you know that I don't give a shit. You know what I mean? Yeah. Two, I can't get in trouble for doing this because you don't know what the hell where's your proof that I'm smoking what you think I'm smoking? And where's your proof? So yeah. Get it? I'm just saying. Gotta have your proof. You can tag on what time. I did it in the video, all of that, he's smoking such and such or whatever. Then you're just going to have to prove what I'm smoking. If you can't prove it, you don't have a case, so I don't care. Now, I went to my P.O. box today to go check out my P.O. box or whatever. And let me turn this up because I can hear it upstairs or whatever. But I ain't been to my P.O. box since I actually had got it. I knew it was going to be a good while before, you know, people started sending me stuff or whatever. But I guess what I wanted at first with people to send me was anything you want me to like put up on like magnet, little sticker magnets or whatever, logos, whatever, shirt, I don't know, whatever you want to send me, or a nice card or something, whatever, post it up. I'll put it up right there. So it's been 3 months. Actually, I think 3.5 months. 3.5 months, all going on 4, since I checked my P.O. box. So the day something told me go ahead and check it, and then 2, I didn't even know they left like the doors open at a certain time for the P.O. boxes only. So now I could go in there or whatever. But I really went in there today to go check out. I'm expecting a package. I'm supposed to be reviewing something. This one ain't no cheap product or whatever. So I'm surprised, you know, they sent me this or whatever. And I'm enthused about this or whatever. I'm expecting it. My expectations is high on this, so I can't wait for you to review this item or whatever. Pretty cool. I probably will keep it for myself or whatever. But yeah, I went there to go see if maybe apparently the package was oversized and it couldn't fit in there. So I know the post office held the package. So I probably go in there on Saturday to go get it or whatever. But I just never really had time because of work. So I went in there. Something told me open up the key. Take the key, open up the P.O. box, and I had like 2 little joints and then 2 envelopes. Let me tell you where I got it from or whatever. So I had some other mail in there too. The first one is from Ken. Ken all the way out Cali. My Cali player was good, bro. And bro, you said, it says I got this on July 31st, so damn. About to cough and shit. I be there in a minute. But, we gonna open it. I opened it already, but let me show you what I got. So, Ken was nice enough to send me, by the way, if y'all don't know who I'm talking about, if you've been around, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know, 1970 Chevette, let me say it again, 1970 Chevelle 396 is his YouTuber name, and Scooby, I know you hate this. Scooby hate this guy just as much as he hate me or whatever. But Ken was nice enough to send me a banner, so I'm going to represent, definitely put you on the map and everything, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead, peel the, you know what I mean, peel this off and get this joint popping. Anybody got any stuff they want me to, you know what I mean, review or so put up? I don't know, whatever you want to send me. Stickers, all that, send it to me. I don't care. So, it's going right here. So, I'm trying to keep everything tight. I at least want like, maybe like 50. I'm going to keep this as a backup because I'm thinking about maybe I can stick this to something. I don't know, but I got to do some tightening up in here. I wanted to get a workbench with a vice clamp this week, and I did wanted to get some shelves. I got to redo the shelf, starting to fall apart over here. It's pretty old. I think I wanted to put a shelf right here and a shelf right there, workbench right there. Set up down here properly. I wanted to get another light fixture down here. There's a lot I got to tighten up, but I pretty much wanted to get down here ready because, you know, I'll be, you know, getting my hustle on or whatever. So I definitely got to support my hustle. So we got Ken, we got you up here. Appreciate that. Make sure I get over to Ken channel, 1970 Chevelle 396. Y'all want to know 396 is? If you don't know nothing about your cubic inches and you just don't know nothing about your cubic inches. You don't know nothing about Chevy muscle cars or whatever, and small blocks and big blocks and all types of blocks or whatever. So make sure y'all get over to his channel. Make sure y'all check him out. So we just gonna go ahead and go to the next channel. Who is it at the top of the step? Who you want? Hey, little cousin, y'all remember him? He was in my very beginning when I started the YouTube channel. I'm trying to get bro to get one. He don't want to do a channel, so I don't know what's up with him. But I'm about to wrap it up in a couple minutes. Scott Pearson. Now, Scott, let me turn this down for this. Scott is a cool dude. Like, Scott never said nothing negative to me. If I see him on anybody else's channel, we never said nothing negative to nobody. Even if it could have been bad, whatever. Scott been always nice to people. Always been nice, has something positive to say. And his comments be like uplifting and you want to post more videos. So make sure, if Scott, I don't know if you've been do YouTube videos or whatever, check him out. He cool. Scott Pearson, the way I said it. He sent me, he wrapped it up good. I believe it's magnets in here, but it says he wrote 2 magnets. Thanks for all the great videos. Bro, I'm going to keep on posting them videos up. But he was cool enough. I like the whole thing with the blue flame with the skull thing. And, yeah. So get over and I wasn't sure, because I haven't been a while since I been on his channel. I don't always go on YouTube and go on people's channels, and I be working all the time. But when I can, I try to do the most. All right, y'all. I don't know what happened, but apparently I was talking too much. But pretty much I was letting y'all know I'm mad I got to do this over because I don't like doing videos without having some type of proper outro going on or whatever. But Scott Pearson, good dude. Get over there, check him out. Got 2 stickers set up already. I'm trying to build up a little arsenal, so whatever y'all want to send me. My name is Malik, and then you can put in parentheses Leekautorepair, even my last name. But bet if I put my last name, people will be quick to Google me, but it ain't nothing to hide, and I don't care. If you know how to get my last name, then good for you. But if you've been on, I don't care, whatever. Just Malik, Leekautorepair, P.O. Box 4, Lansdowne, PA 19050. I'll leave it in the bottom of the video, whatever, text, caption, all that, whatever. Yeah, that's all. Just pretty much smoking my shit and not caring. I had a lighter because I don't know what I did with it. But yeah, before I had messed the video up, I was letting people know, like, you know, I'm the most savage YouTuber in the auto community. I really don't be caring or whatever. Like, I'm real ratchet. Like, you know why? Want to know why I'm like that? Because I just don't care. It's just in my DNA. I wish I would have met my father. Like, I'm being real with y'all. But overall, I don't care. I don't care. I do what I want. I do what I want. Yeah. So y'all hit that like button, subscribe. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers, so let's help me get there or whatever. Holidays is coming around too. Any of my cool YouTubers, I think y'all need to get in y'all bag. Y'all want to make some bread because of CPM. CPM is going up. During the holidays, a lot of people, a lot of companies are advertising products for people to be buying or whatever, you know, throughout the holidays. So I think for like from here to like the next 2 or 3 months, y'all really need to get it in, and y'all hearing it from me. I do get a monthly check from YouTube every month. It's been like that for 2 years now. I ain't been no month on YouTube. I've been getting paid 4 months in on when I started YouTube. 4 months later, I started getting paid, and from here on out, I got paid every month. And I always meet my threshold, and I get my threshold like literally less than a week, no problem. But just everything's stepping up with me, slowly making slow progress. So besides that, I don't care or whatever. Y'all might think that's the negativity on my channel I'm bringing or whatever. I don't care. I don't care. But everything looking good. Money, monetization, break going up. I guess my videos are getting ranked better and all of that, and the views going up. So make sure I get over to my Instagram, leekautorepair@gmail.com. Be posting a little cool stuff, rap, maybe do a little funny parody John, just car stuff mainly. That's what I do on there. But that's another channel or another page where I don't care. I do what I want. Y'all lucky I ain't on Facebook, because I be doing crazy stuff on Facebook too. I'm thinking about making a Leekautorepair fan page or something like that. I don't know, one step at a time. Another thing I'm doing, new channel. I'm gonna be doing a fitness channel, getting in shape, and just gonna be working out, showing everybody my workout, what I'm gonna be doing or whatever. So y'all want to follow that channel? Y'all want to get husky dusky with Leek? You know what I mean? I'm gonna have the baldy fresh with the muscles, nice brown skin, looking like a cup of mocha frappe that, you know, a bitch want to drink on and shit, put a little whipped cream on it, you know what I mean? But I'm definitely looking forward to getting my head licked on, you know what I mean? Getting nice, drunk, glitty, all that, you know, get up on that jazz, better lick my shit, you feel me? So, I'm just saying.